Good morning. This is a recording from Monday, January 27th. Today we will explore something called feeling tones. Whenever an experience comes into your awareness, you can look at it more deeply by acknowledging its feeling tone. Feeling tones are not emotions. A feeling tone describes what you're experiencing as pleasant, unpleasant, or neutral. A feeling tone can be attached to anything you perceive through the senses, including a thought. By noticing the feeling tone, you continue to deepen your insight into the nature of your experience. And feeling tones are not stable or fixed. In one moment, you may find an experience to be pleasant, and in the next, the same experience may feel unpleasant or neutral. Remember to practice beginner's mind, always remaining curious and open. Also, some experiences may not have a clear feeling tone. Although we generally work with pleasant, unpleasant, or neutral, there are other options you can play with as well. For example, if you don't know the feeling tone, simply say, I don't know, acknowledging that you cannot attach any label to it. And if it feels mixed, say mixed. There is no use in straining if the feeling is not clear. Be honest, honoring your own personal experience. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. As you allow the eyes to close, focus on the sensations of the body breathing. Let your breath be easy, comfortable, natural. And for the next minute or so, we will focus on counting the breath from 1 to 8 and then starting at 1 again. Every inhale and exhale is one count. Go at your own pace. Whenever you notice that your mind wanders, simply start back at 1. No worries, no judgment. This exercise helps us drop into a state of grounded mindfulness. So keep counting your breath for the next minute or so. I'll be silent. Now include the whole body into your awareness. We'll spend the next minute simply noticing what arises in the body. Don't judge anything as good or bad. Just pay attention to the actual experience of feeling in the body. Again, I'll be silent. Now expand your awareness to include feeling tones. Acknowledge the feeling in the body and consider whether the experience is pleasant, unpleasant, or neutral. If you like, you can do a body scan and notice the feeling tone for each area of the body you bring to your awareness. Once again, I'll be silent for the next minute or so. And finally, include the thoughts. You don't need to dive into exactly what you're thinking. Simply recognize when a thought is present and if there is a feeling tone attached, pleasant, unpleasant, neutral. And then open back up and wait for the next thought to arise. Resting in this open mindfulness without any particular focus can leave space for mental wandering. Remember that you can always return to the breath as your anchor. Again, I'll be silent to let you connect to your direct experience without the distraction of my voice. Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of your practice, scan the body and notice what's going on for you right now. Physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to notice feeling tones attached to what you see, hear, and feel, and think. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.